Hey, I'm Daniel, and today I'm going to show you how to turn this 5-gallon bucket into your very own homemade ice cream maker. Now, obviously you can buy an ice cream maker and they're not too terribly expensive, but if you like making things yourself and you're looking to save a few bucks, you're not going to be able to beat this design. You really just need a 5-gallon bucket with a lid, some twist-top food storage containers, ice melt, and of course, ice. The unique thing about this design is that you can make several small servings all at the same time. So everybody can kind of create their own custom flavors, and it turns the whole thing into more of a fun family activity. Now before we create some ice cream mixes, let's go ahead and get our machine put together. Fill up the bucket halfway with ice and pour a layer of ice melt on it. Fill up the rest of the bucket with ice and more ice melt, then seal the top and mix it all together thoroughly. You don't want to skimp on the ice melt either. It's the salt that ultimately gives the ice cream its unique consistency as it speeds up the transfer of heat between the container and the surrounding ice. I'm going to try 4 different flavor recipes, but they all use the same foundational ingredients. Half a cup of heavy cream, half a cup of whole milk, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and a pinch of fine sea salt. For the first flavor, I'm adding chocolate chips, peppermint extract, and green food coloring to make mint chocolate chip. For the second flavor, I'm adding sliced almonds, blueberries, vanilla extract, and blue food coloring to make a nice blueberry almond vanilla. The third mix is just lemon extract and yellow coloring for a lemon cream flavor. And lastly, I added chopped pecans, rum extract, and yellow, red, and blue coloring to create a rum pecan flavor. Once you're done creating your masterpieces, seal up the containers and shake each mix thoroughly. All right, so once you got your flavors all mixed up, it's time to get them inside the ice chamber. Now you can see there's a lot of ice already forming on the outside of the bucket, so we need to stuff these down in this ice and get them surrounding each of these containers kind of individually. So it can be a little bit tricky to do that now this is all mixed up in there. So if you've got a spare bucket, it makes this step a little bit easier. What I'm gonna do is take some of this ice out so that I can bury these and then pour the ice back on top of them. All right, then you seal it back up, and the easy part, you just wait. We're gonna give it about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're gonna check on them and see how they're doing. This is a great chance to get a few runs in on that gutter racetrack you just built. Just an idea. All right, time to check on our progress. What you should see is ice cream starting to form along the edges of the containers. The center will still be liquid, but that's okay. Use a spoon to scrape the ice cream off the edges, or just give the container a good shake. This will allow new ice cream to form quicker. After another 5 to 10 minutes, your ice cream should be getting pretty close. If it's not moving like a liquid anymore, you've done it. Just have to mix it up one last time to get it to that fluffy consistency. Now, I suppose you could use a spoon for this, but I recommend a power drill. This mixer attachment is the perfect size for these containers. Just give it a quick wash, pop it in your drill, and watch your dessert come to life. Enjoy your handcrafted ice cream instantly, or store it in the freezer for later. Dessert is served. Got the consistency right where I want it on these. Now all that's left to do is taste test them and see how our recipes came out. So first, mint chocolate chip. Perfect. Indistinguishable from what you'd buy at the store. That's very good. Let's try lemon cream. Okay. Definitely more cream than lemon. I probably could have put a little extra lemon extract in there, but still really good. Next, blueberry almond vanilla. Oh wow. Oh, that's good. That's really, really good. Okay, best of the 3 so far, I think. Just a really good vanilla base, and then the blueberries and almonds. Good taste on top of that. Okay, last one, rum pecan. Oh man. Oh, that's definitely the winner. I just love pecans too. Wow. Okay, I'll be finishing this one. Well, I hope you guys end up trying this awesome little blue bucket ice cream maker. Let me know if you do, leave me a comment. And if you come up with your own ice cream recipes, I want to hear those too. All right, enjoy your summer nights.